Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to view your transaction history on Ton Wallet. First of all, launch the TonKeeper application on your device. Now, on the home screen, you can see a history tab which is at the bottom of your screen. Click on it. Here, you will see a list of recent transactions. This includes incoming and outgoing transactions with details like the amount, date, and status of each transaction. To get more details about a specific transaction, tap on it. You will see information such as transaction ID, sender recipient address, amount transferred, transaction fee, and timestamp. If you have many transactions, you may find a filter or search option in the application to help you find a specific transaction. This allows you to track all activities within the Ton wallet, including send and receive Ton coins and any swap or fees applied. So that is how you can view your transaction history in Ton wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.